The window regulator is connected to the window motor. As the window motor turns, it rotates a large pulley that pulls a cable guided by other pulleys. Window clips attach the window glass to the cable, and as the cable moves, the window is raised and lowered. Reversing the polarity on the window motor changes the direction that the motor turns. Typical failures of the window regulator include broken clips, pulleys, and cables. Broken clips cause the window to become wedged in an angled position inside the door. Broken pulleys cause the cable to become bound and the window becomes stuck in place. Broken cables cause the window to drop down into the door. Another common failure of the power window motor is an overheated motor. Motors can overheat due to internal problems and will not have the power sufficient to raise or sometimes lower the window. As soon as the window motor cools down, the window will raise and lower again, for a time, until the motor overheats again. Sometimes the window may only travel a very short distance until the window motor overheats. In some vehicles, the motor and regulator can be replaced independently. However, in most cases, the motor and regulator are replaced only as a complete assembly.